The AI product we have chosen is NotebookLM. The NotebookLM is an AI-powered research and note-taking tool which was developed by Google. It helps users organize research, summarize the key information, and generate insights from their resources. With NotebookLM, we can create structured notebooks, add references, and even interact with AI to get summaries or ask questions about our content. I'll be demonstrating how to create a new notebook. First, open NotebookLM by visiting the notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Google account. On the main dashboard, locate the New Notebook button, click on it. Now you will see a prompt to enter the title for your notebook. Give it a relevant name based on your topic. Now here I am renaming the untitled notebook as ML Presentation. Once this title is set, your notebook is created. Now we have our notebook set up. This will be our central workshop where we can add notes, upload reference documents, and interact with AI to analyze our research materials.
Becomes easier. Now I'll be naming the notebook as machine learning, as I've created a new notebook here. And moving on, I'll be adding various types of resources of different formats. First, we can discover resources from the web by just giving in keywords. So here I've given neural networks, and once I click on submit, various resources will be generated which are available on the internet. So from which I can either select all, or just simply select whatever resources that are like needed. For example, I've selected 3 resources and I've imported them. Once imported, you can see that notes are generated based on the 3 resources that we have added on. Also, you can add resources such as website, YouTube videos, or copied text. For copied text, it's just as simple as it is. It's just Control C and Control V. Once you've copied it and you've pasted it here, you can just insert the text, and the same notes is being generated based on the 4 sources now. I'm now adding the YouTube video URL. For example, I've taken a YouTube video on just introduction on machine learning, and once I paste the URL, I've inserted the URL, and you can see that is also being added to the resources. So this is a very useful feature, and 2 actions can be performed to a resource, which is remove and rename. That is based on the user's choice only. So you can either drag or drop files which are of the format of PDF, text, markdown formats. So from which I've added the Tom Mitchell book of machine learning, which is a PDF format. And the entire number of files or resources that can be added is 50, and now that we have only added 6 of them. From this, you can also add the website URL in all. So I've added the URL of Wikipedia, and from that you can see the chat is being generated again. I'm now trying to add multiple resources here at one go, but then as you can see, there's a pop-up saying 1 or more files will not be uploaded, and it should be of the specific format because I added a zip file and it didn't allow me to. So I'm saving the note, and then you can see this one note created as understanding neural networks, and I've also generated a audiobook on all the resources I've added, and so that it makes my learning simpler. Thank you.
My name is Elakkiya. Now I'm going to show you how NotebookLM simplifies research by automatically generating an initial overview and key themes from your uploaded documents. And this is a clear and confident approach, great for formal settings. So once you upload your sources, whether it's reports, scientific papers, or policy documents, NotebookLM gets to work. It scans your materials, processes this information, and organizes it into structured summary. Let's see initial overview and key themes of the uploaded document. So this is the initial overview and key themes for the uploaded documents. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Gayathri and my roll number is 22Z218. In this demonstration, I will show how to use NotebookLM to ask a specific question and get an answer back with citation. As you can see, I have already uploaded a research paper, a document and a video link related to machine learning in healthcare. So now I will type a detailed question and ask the NotebookLM to generate a response linking it to my resources. So let's say I'm asking how does machine learning improve the disease diagnostics and what are its key benefits. So what it does is it reads the entire content I have uploaded and gives a response related to it along with the citation. So this is the response I got. These are the citations, like this is the thing that is referred, like this content is taken from the YouTube link and this is taken from the document I have uploaded and this is taken from the website I have uploaded. So this feature of the Notebook LM makes the research more efficient by providing a reliable citation-backed answers directly from the uploaded materials. It saves time and ensures that every insight is well supported. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Bragadheesh and my roll number is 22Z214. In this demo, I will be showcasing how to summarize a document using NotebookLM. I have already uploaded 3 documents from the wireless LAN course. Now let's open one of them to see how NotebookLM processes it. So when I click one of the document, NotebookLM automatically generates a short summary along with the key topics covered in this document. So if you want more details about any of these topics, you can just click on these on this and Notebook LM will generate a brief summary of this particular topic that you have been chosen. So for more control over the summary, you can also give some specific prompts like, so give me a one para summary of all the 3 documents. So Notebook LM reads all these 3 documents in order to give a good summary of all the 3 documents that have been provided to this.
Today I'm using NotebookLM to synthesize information from multiple documents. I have uploaded my PDFs on distributed computing, which covers topics like buffering, process addressing, and deadlock. As soon as I uploaded the documents, it automatically generates the questions by default related to these documents. And we can also type here and ask a question that connects ideas across both documents. I will type, how does failure handling relate to deadlock? Now, NotebookLM analyzes both documents and provides an answer with citations showing exactly where the information comes from. This makes research easier by linking concepts from different sources. It also provides some additional contents from these documents, which makes it easier to understand, and it is related to our question as well. Thank you.
Alright, so now we'll be looking at the mind map feature of NotebookLM. Once you're done uploading all your sources to the notebook, you can scroll down to the bottom of this chat section and find mind map. Click on that and you'll find over here that it says it's generating the mind map. What it is doing is it is going through all of these documents and sources to find all the key topics and put them into a hierarchical structure like this. So yeah, you can expand and collapse these topics, and further you can expand the children as well, uh, like so. Say you want to learn about equivalent kernel, you can click on that and it'll take you back to this chat where you will find it generating a detailed description and explanation about that particular topic.
And finally, NotebookLM also allows you to download this mind map as a PNG file. The most standard features of NotebookLM, which is audio overviews. It is essentially a roughly 10-minute long podcast style conversation between two hosts, completely grounded in these documents and videos that you have provided. The goal is to give the user a high level understanding of the entire subject while not having the user to read through mountains of text. You can get started by simply hitting generate over here, or you can customize it by giving it specifics like I'm going to ask it to focus on the technical details, but not much math. Uh, also, explain like I'm five. So this usually takes quite a bit of time, so you don't have to stay on this page. Even if you close this tab, this will continue generating the audio overview. You can go on with the rest of your work over here, or you can uh, entirely close this tab and get on with your work. Now, after about 5 minutes, we have the podcast generated. It's about 19 minutes long, and here's how it goes.
Have you ever stopped to think about how wild it is that computers can like look at a picture and tell you what's in it, or how they can get so good at playing games? It's mind-blowing, really. But today, we're not just marveling at what they can do, we're going deeper.
We are. We're on a deep dive if the total input is strong enough, if it goes over a certain threshold. Desired output, like if it's trying to identify a picture of a cat.
Concept learning. Is this another way for computers to...
It doesn't fit any day.
That makes sense, starting with the extremes and then refining them. So what happens when the computer sees its first example?
So once the audio overview is generated, you get the option to share these with your friends, or download it or delete it even. Think of NotebookLM does not stop here. It even allows you to interact with these podcast members like you would in a regular podcast.
Think about how wild it is that computers can like look at a picture and tell you what's in it, or how they can get so good at playing games. It's mind-blowing, really. But today, we're not just marveling at what they can do, we're going deeper.
We are.
Oh, wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Hey, hello. I was wondering if you could jump right into neural networks and the technicalities, but not too much of math because it's complicated. So keep it simple, but
Oh, hey there. Absolutely. We can definitely dive right into neural networks for you.
Yes, we can certainly unpack what they are without getting bogged down in too many equations.
So you're curious about the nuts and bolts, but let's keep the math light. We can do that.
Exactly. It's more about understanding the concepts and how they work.
Okay, so to start, what does an artificial neuron look like?
Think of it like a simplified version of a neuron in your brain.
Is it a tiny little brain cell in a computer chip?
Oh, back to our listener. What's up?
oh, never mind about neural networks. I've lost interest. Can you move on to, let's say, find this algorithm?
Oh, okay, no problem at all. We can definitely switch gears for you.
Find this algorithm, huh? That sounds intriguing.
My name is Aravindh Krishnan. My roll number is 22Z211. Let's see about NotebookLM. NotebookLM is a powerful AI tool that transforms research into practical formats like study guides. Let's see how you can do this in just a single step. Next, ask NotebookLM to generate a study guide by using simple prompts like create a study guide for uploaded document, and which will create a study guide for my computer design topics uploaded. It will analyze the content and provide a structured format. Let's see. Yeah, it will analyze the content and provide a structured format. Finally, use the generator material for learning, revision, or even sharing with others. So we can see all the topics which is covered in this PPT. This feature makes studying and summarizing content much more efficient. Try it out in NotebookLM and turn your research into actionable insights. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arulmozhi and my roll number is 22Z23. And now I will be explaining how we'll be organizing our notes and our questions in the Notebook LM. So now I uploaded the sources A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. If I have any questions, let me ask the Notebook LM. So based on the source we have provided, Notebook LM will provide the corresponding answer to it. So it will be providing the answer as or what is black holes. So if we want to save it to our notes, we can just save to our note using this option. So we can rename it if we want. So here I'll be asking how the time has evolved and how the phenomenon occurred in space. So this is the uh, brief about how the time has evolved. Based on the source we have provided, it will be generating the answer. So if we want to save it, it will be saved. And there is an option is FAQ, frequently asked question. So based on source we have uploaded, it will be generating the note with the questions along with the answers. So this will be the questions and along with the answers it will provide. So this is automatically saved in the note. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Aravinth Cheran and I'm here to explain some other last set of features that are available in Google Notebook LM. So let me explain to you them. So first is like this is an interesting feature. We have this thing called audio overview. Let's hear some sample.
All right, welcome everyone to another deep dive. Today we're going to be tackling
Ingredient in a bowl.
Okay, I'm following. The ingredients themselves might be different shapes and textures.
But you're still just adding.
So you have seen a sample where I'm interrupting those two and asking a question. They are answering my answer, and I can also download this audio. You can save this audio. So this is one of a cool feature of this Notebook LM. So what are the other features? As said by Dhakkshin, it can generate mind maps, and you can also download and save this mind maps. So another set of feature is it can generate study guides, briefing docs, FAQs, timelines, etc., etc., and you can also save the sources. And another one interesting feature is like you can take your own note, you can convert this to your source, and then you can ask questions based on your notes. So I have uploaded my note to the source. So let's ask a question: why mechanism in CNN contribute to translational invariance? Yeah, so that's all. Thank you.